Hey guys, this is light and color. What is light? Light is the kind of energy that travels through waves. It is made up when matter is heated or gains energy. Where does light come from? The most important source of light is from the sun. Visible light makes up only a small amount of energy that is on the electromagnetic radiation spectrum. What does it have to do with color? Light is what makes every color visible. Rainbows are made up when water droplets are reflecting the sun like a prism. Each color has a different wavelength. Red has the longest wavelength, while violet has the shortest. Some key terms to remember: electromagnetic radiation is waves of electromagnetic field, such as visible light. White light includes all the possible colors in one. Infrared light is the lightest form of light our eyes can see. Ultraviolet light is the shortest wavelength. You didn't know that? Rainbows always appear in the arranged colors because of their wavelength. Without the light, there would be no colors. Things that look white are reflecting all colors. Things that reflect black are absorbing all of the colors together. When we look at an object and see its color, we are actually looking at the light bouncing off of that particular object, and the color showing is absorbing all of the lights except the color of the object. For example, when a leaf, we see the color green, all of the colors are being absorbed except for green, which is why we see green. Thank you guys. See you later.